If you are on Figma's free plan, then you can have only 3 pages per file. But I'm also on a free plan, but here I have 50 pages in this file. How did I get it? Well, I just drag and drop this file into the Figma and that's it. And if I want Figjam file with 50 pages, then I just drag and drop this file into the Figma and that's it. A Figma Pro plan costs $15 per month and Figjam's Pro plan costs $5 per month. In Indian rupees, $20 is almost like 1700 per month. And from March 11, they're going to probably increase it or change the pricing as well. And if you don't want to pay any of that to just get more than 3 pages per file, then go to my website and download these files for pretty much free. Pretty much free because this is pay what you want. If you want to support the channel and if you want to recognize my effort, then you can pay via UPI from here. Or if you want, you can enter a non-zero value at the checkout, enter your card details and then get the files for whatever you want to pay. And if you don't want to pay, that is also fine because there are other ways to support my effort and support this channel. Just like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one with more on design and creativity. So thank you.